we should be no longer making crazy noises. I don't know. I'm scared.
All right. So what's that we got going on today? Replacing the compressor on a nice little Acura. Already getting started. Joe went ahead and removed the bumper. We had 10s on 1, 2. Also, the cable release need to be taken care of, as long with looks like I just had to unplug that as well, and then got one more 10 right below. All right, take that real quick. Definitely some 10s. So we got 10 on 1, 2. Is there a third?
No, there's
just 2.
One that has the spot where it hooks on it.
So just make sure we don't pinch any hoses when we just be careful pinching, taking them off. But I'm gonna set that right over here. It's also gonna be 2 10s. And please do this in a controlled environment. The AC compressor line. It's so getting down low, we're gonna come beneath here. Really hard to see. Let's see, you got one right there. Let's see if I can get that one. And another one right there. It's gonna be 12s. We're gonna work with this kind of setup. We'll see if this. It's gonna be a tight angle. Let's take this off real quick.
For scale.
Right underneath. All right, it's gonna be second one. All right, it's the next day. Got all this stuff still out.
Here, Dolo, but you can't see it, but I have the AC compressor on with the first bolt. There's 2 little hook type pieces that are off the block that hold the compressor. Once you set the compressor on there, I would say start off with those top 2 bolts, but it is kind of a bitch to hold up and set them on the little notches. But you get those 4 bolts back on and then reverse the process, get all the lines and everything back on. And if you're using even a new compressor, you have to put PAG 46 in it, but I'm using one that was known working, so I made sure I had enough in it. But yeah, just reverse the steps and hook everything back up, and I'll update y'all once I have it mostly all back together. Alrighty, so back at it. Everything is back on except for the underplastic. I don't really feel like putting that all back on because somebody had self-tap and screwed a couple of them pieces, and I'm not redoing that jank ass shit. But everything's back on, and I'm about to go for the first start right now. Before, I had this, as you can tell, that cheap ass little small belt. This is the stock RSX Type S belt that actually goes all the way down and around the AC. They actually had all that deleted because of the noise that the AC clutch was making. So hopefully it's not making any shitty noises, and I didn't overfill the damn AC with too much PAG 46. But anyways, I guess we're about to grab my keys. Shout out to Aaron. He's gonna be giving me a hand with this thing at some point. But we should be no longer making crazy noises. I don't know. I'm scared. Oh shit. Right away, buddy. That is not as shitty sounding as it was. That's good. That's good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Well, as you can tell, everything's back on. Car's trying to play music by itself. No longer got a sound, but whenever we go to pull the vacuum on this bitch, I'll take another video. But yeah, we seem to be doing all right.